So hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Last couple of weeks there was no video as I was in some personal work. But yeah, we are back on the roads now. Doing good. Today we are going to a place called Timmapana Betta. As always, it's a random plan yesterday night. So yeah, here we are. Please ignore my voice. I am suffering with a little bit of cold because of the weather change. I just went to my hometown last week and came back to Bangalore and had to experience the cold weather again. So it's 6:30 a.m. right now. The destination is not so far, so I didn't mind starting a little late, or 6 a.m. is the usual time. So right now we are in ORR of Bangalore, exactly near Bellandur. We are heading towards Silk Board and we'll see where the way leads us. So generally at this time the flyovers will be closed because the metro construction is going on. So last moment indication. So we always have to keep an eye on the vehicle's indicators always, whether he is braking or about to take a turn. So we have to be focusing on that always. We are now at Silk Board Junction. Construction everywhere. One side there is a flyover and there is also a metro. We got a green light. This is probably the first time I'm actually not waiting to cross this junction. And this yellow line, I don't know when they open it. We need to take a left here. Never been through this way till now. No, this map is showing me the corner routes possible. This is Madhiwala Lake. It's basically in BTM layout. And also guys, thank you so much for appreciating my previous video in the Chikmagalur series, especially the second part, which came out really good, and it was almost viewed by 1,000 people, and this is the highest view count I have got till now in the channel. So yeah, I just got to know that if you put efforts in editing and shooting the videos, people will usually or eventually like it. So I'll try to put up the content with whatever the resources I have and whatever the editing skills I have and also the time I have. So yeah, keep supporting. And yeah, if you didn't watch that video, please watch it. It will be displayed in the iCard above. So we just entered the Nice Road. So this place is actually in the Mysore Road. I would have taken the Silk Board and then entered Mysore Road, but I don't know, I've just followed the map and it took me through the Banerghata Road and then landed me in the Nice Road from there. It's 56 kilometers from now. We will get to see many bikers in this road. And this is one road which is not at all suitable for bikers, I would feel, because it's just a 2-lane and there is one kind of extra gap at the leftmost side. So what happens is people tend to stop their vehicles in this lane where I am going right now, in this one. So especially bikers, right? I mean, if they simply try to overtake from that left lane to this extra lane, so they'll end up finding the static vehicle. So always better to go below the recommended speed, especially on the Nice Road. So we have to take a left here for Mysore. So that is the Mysore Expressway. We are right now on the service road. I'm actually observing one thing that people doing here, especially the car owners and the heavy vehicle owners, right? For bikes though, there is no other way. They have to go in this road only because my expressway is not allowed. But what these car guys are doing is they're just traveling on the service road till the nearest connection inside the Mysore Expressway, just to skip the toll, right? It's one of the expensive toll in the Mysore Expressway. I think it's 160 rupees or something till Mysore. So to skip that, they're just, as you can see, right, the number of cars on the highway is way lesser than the cars in this service road. So what they'll do now is they'll just connect to this expressway whenever they find a service road to expressway connection. Yeah, Indian people can do anything. Okay, so just had some good breakfast at Kadamba Veg. They have multiple branches across the Mysore Road. The taste is really good. Also, please do subscribe if you are not. So what I'm observing is, as and when I put up a video, then only some subscriber count is increasing, but otherwise it's completely muted. So there is a limit that I can actually share it in my socials and people get to watch it, because my circle might be small, right? It has to grow beyond that. So YouTube has to boost it organically. So yeah, I'm trying my best. Let's see. So we have taken a diversion after Ramanagara. Just 4 kilometers from now. think we have almost reached just 1 kilometer. So this is the entrance, and oh wow. So basically we can actually go to the top of the hill. There is no trek or anything here. This is what I have heard. So yeah, let's see how far we can go. We're basically inside a jungle here. This is cool. So you can actually go to the top of it, so just carefully go. My bike will be cursing me after this. It's awesome. Okay, I have never been to such place before, where we are actually taking our bikes on the mountain. It's crazy actually. You can see many bikers are there already here. So we are going back to the parking area. You need to be a little careful while riding here, because especially for the low ground clearance bikes like my bike, it might scrape the silencer. Okay. hey guys, right now we are heading back to Bangalore. It's 10:20 a.m. Spent some time there and took some photos and videos. So we are connecting back to Mysore Expressway service road. So I thought instead of directly going home, I'll just visit Bannerghatta Zoo, simply because I haven't visited it before. So yeah, so I have some time, so I'll just go there and visit the zoo and take the safari if possible. Otherwise I'll see based on that, and eat lunch and head back to home. It's a good little half day outing, I would say. And I would definitely recommend this place, especially for the biking enthusiasts. You can also go on a car, no issues on that. It's just a viewpoint with little to no trekking, I would say. So yeah, especially if the climate is good, then what else you need? So we are finally entering the this is a way to Bannerghatta Biological Park. Here you go.